Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you this quick and easy but yet delicious one pot curry chicken and rice. Let's get started. Alright guys, let's start by marinating our chicken. It has already been washed and prepped. I'll be using some fresh green seasoning, some salt, garlic and onion powder, chicken bouillon, complete seasoning, some curry powder, geera masala and some turmeric. If you're Jamaican, you can leave out the geera and masala and just use the curry powder instead. So here I'll be adding some oil and then I will come in with my fresh green seasoning. You want to mix everything well to combine and set that aside. Next, I will take away 1 tablespoon and save that for the rice. Then I will add the rest of it to the chicken, and you want to just mix well until the chicken is evenly coated on all sides. Once you're done, you want to cover and allow this to marinate for at least 2 hours. Now let's take a quick look at the rest of our ingredients. I have here some onions, garlic, bell peppers. I'll be using some long grain white rice, but feel free to use any rice of your choice. I have some coconut milk. I'll be using some thyme, scallion, parsley, 1 habanero pepper. I have some salt, chicken bouillon, complete seasoning, black pepper, and some mushroom seasoning. Here, to a preheated pot with some oil, I will go ahead and sear my chicken on both sides. This will help to cook away that raw curry taste that we use to season our chicken with. Once brown on one side, flip it over and allow to brown evenly on the other side. Once done, remove, set aside, and carry on with the same process. Next, you want to go ahead and add that tablespoon of curry that we set aside. You want to fry that really well for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, you want to come in with your aromatics. Give that a stir and allow those to also go for about 2 to 3 minutes or so. Next, you want to come in with your washed rice. You want to give it a good toss, and we'll also allow this to go for about 2 to 3 minutes or so. That will help to eliminate the extra starch from the rice, and it will be extra fluffy once done. Next, we will add our water, and then we'll come in with some coconut milk. We will also add a little seasoning for flavor and taste. You can taste and adjust the seasoning to your own preference. We will add our herbs, give it a stir, and allow this to come up to a simmer before we introduce the chicken back into the pot. Once you add the chicken in here, you will cover this and place it into a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes or so. Now, if you want to cook this on the stove top, you absolutely can. Just lower your heat and allow it to go for about 25 to 30 minutes. And that's it. After about 45 minutes in the oven, our one pot curry chicken and rice is now done. What I like to do next is remove the chicken from the rice, set it to the side, and just go in and fluff the rice. Make sure that the rice is fully cooked and all the aromatics and stuff is evenly distributed throughout the rice. If you see those thyme stems, you can remove them, and that's it. The rice is perfectly cooked, and guys, you will not regret trying this recipe. If you like curry, you will definitely enjoy this. And here you have it. Quick and easy one pot curry chicken and rice. Like I said, you guys will not regret trying the recipe. I just paired it with a fresh garden salad and it was chef's kiss. So give the recipe a try for me and let me know what you guys think. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.